Hello guys, I'm happy to share one of the success story. Successful trade happened today. Let me show you. Okay, so the stock is Jyoti Laboratory. When I take the stock name, it's not a recommendation, and make sure you know the risk and reward before taking any position or any trading or investment. Okay, so my purpose is to just share what I did, how I did, so that you can use this video as a learning point and connect the dots and try to improve your trades or investment. So I want to thank the screener.in and Google Sheet and the TradingView. I have used these portals or apps for my trades. So the thing is that I exited with 21.59% in 148 days. So if you feel my video is slow, then you can watch it with high speed like 1.2 or 1.5x. So I captured like all needed informations here so that I don't want to navigate to other websites or portals. So what I see, the first triggering point, not only for this stock, for any stock when I do a positional trade, so I see there has to be a significant fall in the stock in recent days. If you see this stock, Jyoti Laboratory fell 22% plus in the month of Jan and Feb this year. So that big fall caught my attention, and that was a triggering point for me. So what I generally see is the sales. For me, top line matters a lot in any company. So this has given like 8, 9, or recently 13% for 3 years CAGR. So ideally, if you have good more than 10, if you get 15-20% sales growth, that would be a very good stock. But in this case, this was 22% fall and I could see 8, 9, 13%. It's fairly okay. And then even I compared with the stock price CAGR. So though sales is not that great, the stock price CAGR is good comparatively. So I took a decision to enter in this stock. So these 3 points were the entry. These 3 points made me to enter into this stock. What I did, I bought on 13th February. That was my first buying. Later, it fell down a couple of times. So what I did average. So I bought it again. So that's why my average holding price came around 410, and then I waited for say 148 days. I was waiting for a good exit, and then today I got that good exit conditions. See, when I say today, I saw this RSI, it crossed like 70, and today it fell little, and then I got the sense that in future it may turn negative. If you see, market is also all time high, and today also market fell. So overall, that gave an indication to me that this stock lost strength. Will that happen for sure? I don't know. It may even go up, and my prediction is that it is going to come down in near future, where I may see one more buying opportunity in this stock if there is a significant fall. Again, see the triggering point. If it falls say 10 plus percentage from this position, then I may reconsider to enter and do the same trade. Okay, so that's why I exited today and made this close to 22% in 148 days. So if you like this analysis, yeah, do comment what you liked, and if you feel there has to be some improvement in my data points or the way I show, let me know that in comment. And if you feel there are people like who wants to learn, please forward this video to them. So again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.